I wake up, I quickly get out of bed, and the first thing I do is that I brush my teeth. Right after that, I grab a book and two of my journals with a pen, and I go outside to read a book. Now, I usually read for, let's say, an hour, which when you think about it, bro, that's a long time, right? Then right after that, I gratitude journal, which is that I write down things I'm grateful for. I write down 5 things I'm grateful for. Then I come back home and I prepare a yogurt with a banana. Now, the morning is usually the most productive part of my day. And in today's video, I'm exactly gonna explain you why is that and how I was able to achieve this. I was able to achieve this and to be super consistent with this routine is by something called habit stacking. We all wake up at, let's say, I don't know, let's say 8 a.m., right? Or like the time doesn't really matter. We all wake up. Then what I did is the first thing that I adapted is that I brush my teeth. I hope that we all do that. Which, by the way, like I know people that don't do that, and even myself, like when I was younger, like brushing my teeth wasn't daily, wasn't a part that I did every single day. But that's a side point. So I wake up, I brush my teeth. That's basically habit stacking. You wake up and then you do something right after that. You have a habit of waking up, and right after that, you do another habit. You have one habit, then you do another habit, which is brushing your teeth. Then right after that, I quickly grabbed a book, which is like another habit, and just stacking these habits. That's what's gonna make you consistent with this. And for a long time, I knew about this concept, but I wasn't implementing it. I wasn't doing this. But when I was like, okay, bro, fuck me. I'm just gonna wake up. I'm gonna stick to one routine that I'm just gonna brush my teeth. I'm just gonna grab a book and go outside and read and gratitude journal, whatever. That's what actually made me be consistent with it. Because instead of just thinking that, oh yeah, today I have to read the gratitude journal, I don't know, brush my teeth, whatever. No, I just set like almost like a strict plan that I just follow every single day, that I wake up at whatever time, I brush my teeth, I go outside and read, and I gratitude journal. All of these habits are stacked up onto each other. So let's say when I don't read, then I probably won't even gratitude journal, because I merged it into one thing, not into these individual habits like I have to do this, do this, do this, do this. No, it's all connected. It's all one thing that I just do at one time. It's not like I would wake up, scroll on my phone, do whatever for 30 minutes, then brush my teeth, I don't know, do something. Like right now I'm gonna be completely honest with you. It's not like I would have 100% consistency. Today was kind of an exception because I woke up, I brushed my teeth, but then I just went downstairs and I watched TV for like 20 minutes or some shit like that. So like even I don't have 100% consistency, but the goal that you should have is to have it all connected, all one thing. Is not that you brush your teeth and then you do something like watch TV, because then the chances that you're gonna, I don't know, go outside and read are way smaller, because you're no longer in that momentum. When you brush your teeth and you know that you just go outside and read, it's like you don't even have to think about it. You just do it. You just do it like a machine. Then you add on gratitude journal, then you have a snack, whatever, then you record. When you do it like a machine, when you don't think about it, when you don't have like 10 different habits that you want to do somehow throughout the day, when you just have it all in one place, all stacked up onto each other, then when you, let's say, read, and you also have the gratitude journal right in front of you, what are the chances that you're not gonna gratitude journal? When you just wake up and you already have a book on your desk, what are the chances that you're gonna forget to read? They are pretty low. You would have to be down bad in order to, I don't know, throw the book away and be on a computer, whatever. When you have it all connected, when you don't have to think about the next task that you want to do, the next habit, because you already have it set out, you already have, let's say, some routine. So habit stacking is essentially just having one habit that you're already doing, which is, let's say, waking up. We all wake up, right? Like, waking up is not really a habit, but whatever. So you wake up and you brush your teeth. You have another habit that you stack on top of that. Then after brushing your teeth, you immediately know that you go outside and you read a book. And then when you read a book and after you finish it, you just know that the next task you should do is gratitude journaling or something else because you stacked it up onto each other. It's not like you would go home and, I don't know, do something for 15 minutes and then gratitude journal. No, it's just one habit stacked up onto the next one and the next one. You know, that's what made me consistent with all the habits. It's because I just do them at one time. It's not like I would wake up, I don't know, gratitude journal, then spend 1 hour on my computer doing whatever. Then I would eat breakfast, then I would do something, then what? No. Is that I just wake up and I immediately know what to do. And I have like 5 or 6 tasks at once that I just do every single day because I already know what to do and I can just easily do those habits. Because the book is already on my desk. When I'm outside, I know that after reading, I just gratitude journal. That's what you want. You want to know what to do after one habit. That, let's say after reading, you know that you want to gratitude journal. You want to write down things you're grateful for. When you brush your teeth, you know that the next thing is immediately going outside and reading a book. That's what made me super consistent with my morning routine, and it's what made my morning routine the best because I don't have to think about anything, and all the habits I want to do are stacked up onto each other. So it's not like I would come back home and, I don't know, eat and do whatever and then do something else. No, it's just that I do one habit, say reading, and right after that I do another habit. And it's just way easier for me to stick to it that way because I don't even have to think about it. I just do it. And bro, that's really it. Like when you have the momentum in it, when you just read and right after that you know that you're supposed to do this or that, you're just gonna do it because you know what to do. You have it in front of you, and it's just so easy. Of course, like you're probably not gonna do it 100%, but if you're gonna stick to it like 90% of the time, then you already won. By the way, guys, if you want, you can book a free 1 hour call with me. It's literally free. It's the first link in the description. You can book a free 1 hour call with me. We can talk about whatever you want to. Okay, so take care.